Hello, good evening, guys. So, we all know there's something known as React, okay? And it's a library based on JavaScript. Perfect. And then there comes a framework, and its name is Next, which is based on top of React, okay? Now, this magical framework supposed to have some unique abilities, okay, which makes it more powerful than React, okay? One such ability is having the client plus server side. Both we can develop this in the Next.js. And if you are familiar with developing in React, you know that you have to use Express and other things, Node and all, in order to do the server side rendering. Okay, but in Next you can do this. But we are not here to cover this client side and server side. What we will be covering here is this part, SEO optimization. Okay, so how exactly Next optimizes this thing and React is not able to optimize this thing. Okay, so let's take an example. Let me write here SEO because that's a topic. So let me take an example. This is our website. Suppose this is our website. Perfect. And here, like in this website, I have third tier coder, and suppose this is the about page. Okay, and I have written a lot of things, and in this I have written a lot of code, keywords like code, coding, uh, LeetCode. Perfect. Now when I go to Google and I search about code, okay, now here we have this word code. Perfect. Here we also have this word code. Here also we have this code at least. Here we also have this word code. Okay, so now what web crawler does is they get these, like they want to give the most relevant information, okay, the most relevant web pages. So they're gonna see this this okay, so this website has a lot of code in it and I can present this website onto the user. Perfect. But what React does is, if you are familiar with React, during React we have this code and we have this JavaScript. Okay, so when a page is rendered in React, it sends minimal HTML first, minimal HTML, okay, which makes up like the initial thing of the web page. Then the JavaScript runs and fill in this web page, okay, fill in this web page. So that's how React works. Okay, first the minimal HTML in order to structure the page, the those thing, HTML tag body, the doc type of that, and then the JavaScript runs and it fills the page with this all content. Okay, so the web crawlers are, they want to execute things fast. Okay, the new web crawlers, however, are able to run these JavaScript files also. Old one do have a problem of running these JavaScript files. So but the new one can run JavaScript files, but in order, yes, in order to do these things fast and efficient, sometimes a lot of content is not generated in. Okay, so this is making the SEO thing bad for React. Perfect. Now let's talk about Next.js. In Next.js, what we have is, we have client plus server also. So what Next.js does is, it uses server side rendering. Okay, so inside the server, the whole content is already made. Okay, and then the server send this content onto the browser, or onto the browser. Okay, so it has all the HTML, this everything, all these keywords, it will already have it. Okay, it not have to run JavaScript additionally. It will already have it because server has already rendered and then it will send it to the browser. Okay, so crawler gonna grasp all these things and thus making an efficient search. So that's why Next.js is a little more SEO optimized. Thank you.